Good damn afternoon. This is gonna be a short little video. You know, the Democrats are so up in arms over Trump, but the man's done a shit ton for our country that he didn't have. He didn't have to do. It's not like he needed the fucking money. The man's a billionaire. But you know, I got an idea. You wanna see libtards' heads explode? Let's elect Trump for 4 more years, and then after that, let's elect Don Jr. for 4 years, and then 8 years, and then after that, let's elect Ivanka Trump for 8 years. You know what? Screw Don Jr. After Donald J. Trump, our beloved president, let's elect Ivanka Trump, his daughter, so that she can be the first woman president for 8 years, and then Don Jr. for 8 years. That'd be a total, 24 years of Trump presidency. That will blow a Democrat's fucking mind. I mean, not that, it'll definitely end the Democrat Party, not that it's not already fucking ended. I mean, come on. The candidates are someone who's trying to steal the election and a fucking socialist. I mean, the Democrats have done everything except say, you know what, we're not going to run President Trump, we concede. I mean, it's like they're trying to help the man get elected. It's fucking insane, but it's funny. But, and then you got fucking people like fucking Nancy Squirt Bottle Pelosi over here. Fucking tearing up official documents and everything. I say about that, Mr. President, that was your State of the Union address. That is an official document. Therefore, she broke the law. Therefore, her and her aides and anyone involved needs to be punished to the fullest extent of the law. Nothing small. No. They wanted to give Rogers... excuse me, hiccups. They wanted to give Roger Stone 9 years. Something that wouldn't even be a year's worth. Well, they wanted to give Roger Stone 9. Give Nancy Pelosi and her cronies, excuse me again, I hate hiccups, 20. They wanted to give Roger 9, then give him 27 years. 3 years for every year they wanted to give Roger. Maybe they'll get the hint that it's America first. And it's America always. They were elected to run America. Not the UN, not to bow down to the UN, but to stand for America.